In this video, we listed the 5 best Tronxy 3D printer on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Tronxy XY3SE 3D printer. The Tronxy 3D printer offers a versatile and reliable printing solution with a slice thickness ranging from 0.05 mm to 0.3 mm and a maximum printing speed of 300 mm/s. It features auto-leveling capabilities, supports multiple languages including English, and operates on both Windows and macOS systems. With a maximum nozzle temperature of 275 degrees Celsius and a bed temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, this printer accommodates various filaments such as PLA, ABS, PETG, wood, and TPU. The precision of the printer is impressive, with XY precision at 0.00625 mm and Z precision at 0.00125 mm, ensuring accurate and detailed prints. The Tronxy printer has a maximum print size of 2552, 55,260 mm, uses FDM molding technology, and comes with CE certification. It supports color printing at a speed of 60 mm/s and can be connected via USB interface for easy operation. Hailing from mainland China, the Tronxy 3D printer is a reliable and efficient choice for 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 2. Tronxy CRUX1 3D printer. The Tronxy XY is a feature-rich FDM 3D printer designed for efficiency and versatility. With a slice thickness range of 0.1, 0.4 mm and a maximum printing speed of 150 mm/s, this printer offers a balance between speed and precision. It supports multiple languages and filament types including PLA, wood, TPU, PETG, ABS, and PA. The printer has a precision range of 0.1, 0.3 mm and a nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm, ensuring detailed and accurate prints. With a maximum print size of 80,180 mm and a bed temperature of 110 degrees Celsius, it can handle a variety of printing projects. The Tronxy XY features an aluminum profile structure for stability and durability. It is equipped with CE certification and offers multiple connectivity options, including USB and SD card. Originating from mainland China, this compact printer has a machine size of 462,246,410 mm and comes with certifications such as CE, FCC, and ROHs, making it a reliable choice for 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 3. Tronxy X5SA Pro 3D printer. The Tronxy X5SA Pro is a high-performance FDM 3D printer that offers a wide range of features for efficient and precise printing. With a slice thickness of 0.1, 0.4 mm and a printing speed of up to 120 mm/s, this printer delivers detailed prints at a fast pace. It supports auto-leveling, multiple languages, and operates on Windows, macOS, and Linux systems. The X5SA Pro accommodates various filaments including PLA, ABS, HIPS, wood, PC, PVE, and TPU, with a standard 1.75 mm diameter. It has a maximum print size of 330 x 330 x 390 mm, making it suitable for a variety of projects. The printer uses FDM molding technology and has a 0.4 mm diameter nozzle for precise printing. Connectivity options include USB, and it comes with CE certification for quality assurance. Originating from mainland China, the Tronxy X5SA Pro is a reliable and versatile 3D printer suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Number 4. Tronxy FDM 3D printer. The Tronxy XY is a versatile FDM 3D printer designed for efficiency and ease of use. With a slice thickness range of 0.1, 0.4 mm and a maximum printing speed of 180 mm/s, this printer offers fast and precise printing capabilities. It features auto-leveling functionality and supports multiple languages, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The CRUX one is compatible with various filaments such as PLA, ABS, TPU, and copper, with a diameter of 1.75 mm, ensuring flexibility in material choices. With a maximum print size of 180 x 180 x 180 mm and a 0.4 mm diameter nozzle, this printer is suitable for a variety of projects. It operates on a 110-220V power supply and offers USB connectivity for seamless printing. The Tronxy XY is CE certified, guaranteeing quality and safety standards. Originating from mainland China, this printer comes with a gift package including filaments, an SD card, and tools, making it a comprehensive solution for 3D printing enthusiasts.
Number 5.
Tronxy X1 DIY Portable 3D Printer. The Tronxy X1 3D Printer DIY Kit offers a user-friendly and compact solution for 3D printing enthusiasts. With a print size of 150 x 150 x 150 mm and a default 0.4 mm nozzle size, 0.2 mm and 0.3 mm optional, this printer is suitable for a variety of projects. It comes with a gift package including an 8 GB SD card, assembly tools, and 10 mm of PLA filament for testing. The printer features an aluminum profile structure and is easy to assemble and operate. With a layer thickness range of 0.1, 0.4 mm, and a color print speed of 150 mm/s, the Tronxy X1 delivers detailed prints efficiently. It is CE certified and originates from mainland China, ensuring quality and reliability. The X1 supports offline printing and is powered by a 110/220V power supply. Ideal for educational and desktop use, this DIY kit provides a comprehensive 3D printing solution for beginners and enthusiasts alike.